Good morning! Up until now, I've been walking solo from Madrid to Santiago, but today I'm happy to report my husband is here to join me. In this episode, we walk to Portomarín, where we have a delightful lunch and play a game of cards with some other pilgrims. With just a week to go, I'm feeling a little sad that my trek will soon be over. I hope you enjoy this stage of my walk on the Camino de Santiago. It is Tuesday morning and we are on our way to Portomarín. It is a 13.7 mile walk and we got an early start today. Thank goodness, because around 2 o'clock we are expecting thunder and lightning showers. So hopefully we will reach our destination before then. I have a new walking partner. Say hi, Jamie.
Hi.
My husband Jamie has joined me in Soria, and together we will walk the last 100 kilometers together. So I checked the statistics for the number of pilgrims arriving in Santiago, and yesterday there were 1,300. So moving forward, that number should get higher. Just a quick word to any of you that's concerned. I know there's a lot of wildfires in Spain right now, and we are not near the fires. We're in Galicia, where it's very lush and moist. So even though it's been hot lately, I don't think Galicia has been having the same issues with the heat wave drying everything out. So we're safe. At this rate of walking, we planned out our stages. We should be in Santiago, I think it was Sunday. So it's going to be a quick week, and definitely bittersweet for me because I've so enjoyed this trip and I'd like to stay longer, but reality does set in at some point. So anyway, it's such a beautiful morning. Let me show you. The sun is rising. It's turning the sky orange. And I think we're approaching our first little town here. We've got many on our trip today to pass through. Okay, talk to you later. Bye. Okay, I'm doing my check-in. We have about an hour left to go, so maybe 2.5, 3 miles or so. And Jamie, how's it going?
Awesome.
Any soreness right now? Any aches and pains?
No, it's a cakewalk.
Cakewalk. All right. Yeah, it actually has been a nice walk so far. We've seen a lot of very fresh-faced people singing, people looking like their clothes were freshly pressed and their backpacks are brand new. So yeah, a lot more Pellegrinos on the trail. We did stop off and have croissants and café con leche. So it was a nice little break. The skies are gray. It's threatening to rain. But as you can see, we are in a green tunnel, so we are pretty much sheltered from all of that. And hopefully we'll make it into town before the skies start dumping. All right, almost there. Okay, so we are sitting here at lunch and we're kind of looking at our options for tomorrow. We were supposed to go to Palos de Rey, which is a 15-mile walk. But we're looking at the weather, and tomorrow when we set out from Portomarín, there's a 40% chance of rain. And then if I look at Palos de Rey, tomorrow morning, let me show you. Yeah, it's supposed to rain tomorrow. Like 40-50% chance of rain tomorrow. And the temperature tomorrow is not going to get above 65. So it's already cold here. I bought myself a hat because my ears were getting cold. And I'm wearing my puffy, and all I can think is I don't want to be wet and cold at the same time. So we are definitely discussing our options, maybe spending another night here in Portomarín. But I don't know if that's going to make much of a difference because we could get socked in here for a few days, and I don't want that to happen. So we might have to just be walking in the rain tomorrow. Maybe your turn.
Uno.
Oh, wait. 7?
11.
All right, well, that about wraps it up from Portomarín. It's actually a neat little town. I wish the weather were better. I would show you more of what it looks like. We decided to go to the hotel right after lunch because the rain just started coming down. So unfortunately, I can't show you around. But all of the buildings were painted white. They all look pretty uniform. And the reason for that is because in the 60s, the whole town was moved uphill after they built a dam upstream. So all of the buildings they're about the same age, and they look pretty uniform, and it's a super cute little town. I bet you on a sunny day, it's just gorgeous. So moving forward, we decided to go ahead and just walk tomorrow, even though it's going to be raining. It's going to be raining here for another 3-4 days, maybe even longer than that. So we figured no matter what, we're going to be walking in the rain. It's a 15-mile day tomorrow. We did consider cutting it short, but yeah, in the end, we just decided to plow through. We have reservations in Palos de Rey, and we just didn't want to mess around with that. So we're going to go forward. I certainly don't want to get wet, but I have a nice rain jacket as well as an umbrella, and there will be a canopy of trees for a bit of the way from my understanding. So hopefully we're going to be somewhat shielded from the rain. Cross your fingers. Anyway, that's it for today. I want to thank you for watching this video to the end, and stay tuned tomorrow for a wet and soggy day. All right, bye.